Dr. J, and I am here today to do a tutorial on how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. We know right now we're dealing with the whole coronavirus situation and we're having to leave our homes. I am off of work, but I do have to go out to get essential items. And so sometimes if I don't have hand wipes, or sometimes I do forget them because I just kind of keep mine in a little Ziploc bag in my purse, then I can have some hand sanitizer, right? A lot of stores are out of hand sanitizer. A lot of stores are out of rubbing alcohol. So we're going to make the hand sanitizer out of, ta-da, Everclear. I got this from the local ABC store. As you see, it is 190 proof. It is 95% alcohol by volume, so certainly this should clean our hands until we're able to properly get somewhere and wash them, right? So this bottle cost me about 20 bucks. I bought the 3 of these containers from the Dollar Tree, $1. You know, with your local tax, what, 10, 12 cents added on, this it. I got this offline from imagebeauty.com, and this one thing cost me like $1.29. So for me, I feel like this was a little bit more practical because I could fill, obviously, these 2 up. If I wanted to, I probably could just put the alcohol in here with a little bit of water if I wanted to just kind of spray my hands or like mist my face, because we know that the virus can land on any part of you. So this could be useful. But I did get this off of Image Beauty because my local Dollar Tree did not have any more. I haven't been able to find aloe vera gel at some of the stores that are located around here. Because I ordered this container before I went to the Dollar Tree and figured out they were, you know, $1 for the 3 of these. So I wasted money because this was, like I said, like $1.19, $1.29. Plus I had to pay $5.99 shipping. So essentially I paid way too much money for this one little container. So this one is already full. Actually, when I went to Dollar Tree, I kind of was telling the lady kind of what I was gonna do because we don't have any, and I just like to keep just a little bit of everything on hand when I have to go out. And so the cashier at the Dollar Tree actually filled this up for me, so that was really sweet. She had some behind the counter that she had given me. So as you see, that one is already full. So what we're gonna do is we are going to try to make our little combination in this one. So the recipe, from my understanding, is 3 parts aloe vera gel to 1 part alcohol, right? And keep in mind, if you're able to find rubbing alcohol anywhere, you can easily substitute the rubbing alcohol for this Everclear, because obviously rubbing alcohol is much cheaper, even though I'm convinced this is rubbing alcohol as well. But if you can, feel free to substitute. But like I said, you may want to make this for some family members, friends, neighbors, members in the community who you know are still working. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of our workers that are still out here, from our first responders to all the people in the medical field, people who are working at our local stores and gas stations and drug stores, who are just still out on the front line working. Some people work for the Postal Service, UPS, because obviously I got my packages. I mean, everybody out there, if I've missed somebody, please forgive me, but people are still going to work. And God bless you, many prayers, and I pray for you all safety. But again, for those of you, if you want to give these as gifts, just to say, hey, thank you, by all means do so. So I practiced just a little, kind of pouring, but I'm going to top this off. Look like the 1/8 of a cup would kind of fulfill our 1 part alcohol to 3 parts aloe vera. So I have a little funnel here that I keep handy. And so that looks like that will probably be our 1 part. And then I'm just going to actually remove this from here. And then I'm going to squeeze. And I'm sure if you use a little bit more, it's not going to hurt, simply because we are definitely trying to kill and fight germs all the way to make sure that we are safe. We do know the best way is to stay at home, but like I said, many of us go out to get essential items, medications. We drop things off to people, those of us who are will, and there are several people going to work. So in the event that you have to, then you can make your own. Nice gift. So I'm gonna top that off. Okay, So that's full. And then I might add a little bit more, but I'm gonna give this a shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. What? Oh, 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 shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna shake it. All right. Okay. So let's see. Look, guys, look. Hand sanitizer. It smells just like hand sanitizer. It's a very comparable to what I got out of the store. It has a nice green color there. But yeah, definitely. So just that easy. This is, like I said, store-bought. This is homemade. If you want to squeeze a little bit more aloe vera to top it off, but I think it's good. It smells like hand sanitizer, and I'm fresh and clean. So I hope that this was helpful. Please share with as many people as you think will find this video helpful. I only did this because I needed hand sanitizer. Sometimes my daughter goes out, and I would like for her to have one in her car, her purse, to make sure that, you know, she's fighting germs as well. So just kind of public service announcement to anybody, like I said, who needs this or who would like to make them for others. Thank you.